In this video, we are going to export the drawing into AutoCAD. Currently, I am in my export drawing to AutoCAD drawing. So, in this, what we are going to do is we will export the civil 3D drawing into AutoCAD. So, when you do that, your civil 3D behavior of this drawing will not be there because it will export it to a AutoCAD drawing. There you can only do the AutoCAD functionalities. So before exporting the drawing, we have to make sure that we have added all the civil 3D features, or we have modified all the civil 3D features in this drawing, because otherwise after exporting we cannot do any civil 3D functionality in this drawing. So now I am going to export the drawing. Before that, I can see there is some confusion with the labels over here. So what we will do is I double click inside the viewport, and here what we have to do is we cannot move this alignment like we are moving profile view. In this case, what we have to do is something else. So now we are inside the viewport, but we cannot pan the drawing because viewport is locked. Here you can see viewport is locked. We cannot pan the drawing. To pan the drawing and move this label up, we have to first unlock this viewport, then pan the drawing upward like this, slightly upward, and make sure others are okay as well. Then again we have to lock it. So if you move the mouse wheel, it will change the scale here. So if I can move it, you can see it is changing. So we have to make sure that it is 1000 to 1:2000 scale properly. Right, then we lock it again. Right, now we have completed the modification of the sheets. These sheets are okay actually, the other two sheets. Then what I do is, before exporting, I have to save the drawing. Save the drawing. After saving, I go to here, application menu browser, go to export, then go to export civil 3D drawing. Then here you can set the location. Here you can set the export settings if you like export, like what version you are going to export. Right click OK now and click export to export the drawing. So you have to set these options, run drawing only, and these options, and click export. So once it is exported, it will give you a notice like this. We'll click OK, then click close this one. And from here we go to open and go to the location where we saved the drawing and open it. It will have a prefix AutoCAD before the name, so we can identify it is a AutoCAD file, and click OK. So we have exported this into AutoCAD. Now you can see you cannot select the profile views. Now you will only select the lines, because this is a AutoCAD drawing. So actually these profile views are where you have these profile views. You can see they are inside these view frames and viewports. So you have to edit these profile views to get the proper view. Here you can see my label is going outside the top part of the profile view. So what I do is I will move this a little bit downward and trim this other label part like that. So I move here and do the same again. So all these things are AutoCAD based things. You can use your own methods to do these modifications. Right now it seems to be okay, and we have some other problematic data here. So we will move this data outward. Because this is outside the area, and this one should be inside this one, and this data is inside this one. We'll delete this data. Maybe we are heading somewhere outside, like here. Now we have completed adding these parts. So if you think these labels are also problematic, you can shift these labels as you like. So, and this one we have an additional line, so you can, I think, trim it somewhere here. Right. So now I move back to my actually layouts. So now you can see whether if we have other problems. So this view frame is not plottable actually. So you have this view frame in the showing in the plan part. So if you need, you can unhide it, otherwise you can make it appear, but because it is not plotting actually, that won't be a problem anyway. So if you need, you can hide this one by clicking this one, go here, go to freeze and click this one, so it will hide these things. You will not see them again. So then you can come here and you can see this label is not viewable properly. So I go inside here, select this label and drag this label somewhere here so that I see it properly. These parts I can see properly. There is no problem with the other parts. I go back to the other one. These are working properly. You cannot see any problems here. And is also working properly. So you can also see the surface boundary here. Since this is AutoCAD drawing, now you can see this, delete this surface boundary if you like, because there is no need of surface boundary in here. So like, you can delete that one. Right, so that is about exporting and getting this viewports and profile views in a proper way. Right, so in the next video we will see how to plot these drawings. Before that, you need to remember that if you need to add any more details in these drawings, you can add at this stage. Like if you want to mark any labels here, or if you need to mark, we have a viaduct or bridge here. If you need to if you like to mark this bridge here, you can mark that one. So those things you can mark. If you need to mark the corridor here, you can have a block of the corridor. You can paste a block of the corridor in this drawing and it will appear into the plan sheets. Likewise, you can add any details before plotting the final sheet. So in the next video we will see how to plot these things.
Thank you for watching our channel. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press on bell icon.